Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to extend my highest respect. I would like to sincerely acknowledge and honor my lecturer, Professor Dr. Dedi Hermon. My name is Anissa, study number 241980025. I study at Magister of Education, Faculty of Social Science, Universitas Negeri Padang. So today I would like to presentation my title Measure of Spread Variability in Statistics. What is the material on the size of spread or variability in statistics used for and when? The measure of spread variability in statistics indicates how far the data points are from the central value, such as the mean or median. In other words, measure of spread helps us understand whether the data is homogeneous, consistent, or heterogeneous, variates. What are measure of spread used for? 1. To measure the level of data variation. 2. To complement measure of central tendency, mean, median, mode. 3. To identify extreme values or outliers. 4. To compare two or more datasets. 5. To make data-based decisions. Measure of spread are used to observe the degree of data variability, provide additional information beyond the mean, and are highly beneficial for data comparison, scientific research, and decision making. These measures are significant for evaluating data stability, detecting extreme values, and more accurately understanding the distribution within a population. Measure of spread or variability in statistics, an explanation of measure of spread, also known as variability in statistics. This explanation covers the importance of understanding data distribution, the various types and of measure of spread, including range, in quarter range or IQR, mean, variance, standard deviation, and coefficient of variation or CV. Each measure is plain with formulas, example, and participle application to help understand how data points are distributed around a central tendency. The explanations are as follows. Measure of spread statistic. There are so 7 data. 1. Data distribution. Understand how the data is spread. 2. Range. Simple measure of spread. 3. In quartile range or IQR, spread of the middle 50% of data. 4. Mean deviation. Average absolute deviation from mean. And 5. Variance, average square variated from mean. 6. Standard deviation, the square root of variance. And the last or 7, coefficient of variation or CV, relative measure of variability. Type of distribution size. Range, describe the difference between the most significant and the less significant values in the data. Range, X maximal to X minimal. Example, data 5, 7, 9, 10, 12. Range 12 to 5, equals 7. 2. In quartile range or IQR. Show this the distribution of data in the middle 50%. Use it to minimize an influence of extreme data or outliers. IQR equals Q3 to Q1. Example, if N4 IQR 35 to 20 equals 50. 3. Mean deviation. Measure the average deviation of each data value from average or mean or median. Mean deviation sigma x1 xe to x divide n. The smaller the mean deviation, the closer the data are to the mean. 4. Variance. The measure of separate that indicates the square deviation of data value from the mean. The greater the variance, the greater of spread. A. Variance for population data. Tau square sigma xe to m square divide n. B. Variance for the sample. S square sigma xe to x square divide n minus 1. 5. Standard deviation. The square root of the variance the most frequently used measure of dispersion because its units are the same as the original data. Tau equals tau square. Simple example, the table data 5, 7, 8, 10. Mean 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 10. Divide 4 equals 75. If the variance and standard deviation are calculated, tau square 3t to 25 or tau equals 1t 80. The data doesn't spread too far from the mean. 6. Coefficient of variation or CV. Use the compare this distribution of two group data on different scala. CV tau divide x times 1000%, 100%, sorry. The smaller the CV, more stable, uniform the data. Following the example question on the size of separate variability. Example question 1, range, Is it known that mathematics score of the class X students are 55, 60, 75, 80, 85, 90. Determine the range value. What the solution? The solution is range, x maximal to x minimal. Maximal value 60, 90, sorry. Minimum value 55. Range, 90 to 55 equals 35. Example question 2. Interquartile range or IQR. The following data is known: 12, 50, 60, 80, 20, 22, 24, 26, 30. Calculate the value Q3 and IQR. What the solution is? Solution is number of the data n, 9 from this. Median of the first data 20. Yeah. Then the data distribution Q1, median of the bottom data. Yeah. 12 to 80. Because bottom data. Q1, 70 plus 50 divide 2 equals 60. Q1, 60. And Q3, median of the upper data. 22, 24, 26, and 30. Yeah, this from this, okay? Q3, 24 plus 26 divide 2 equals 25. Okay, IQR, Q3, 25. Okay, 25. To Q1, 60 equals 9. Sample question 3. Variance and standard deviation. The student height or centimeter data is known. 160, 162, 165, 168, 170. Count mean variance and standard deviation. What solution? Solution is 1. Calculate the average mean. X equals 160 plus 162 plus 165 plus 168 plus 170. Divide 5 equals 825 divide 5 equals 165. To create a table of the difference of square with respect to the mean. Yeah, X the table X. Yeah, this is number. Find this. Yeah, X 165. Yeah, sigma X to X square equals 25 plus 9 plus 0 plus 9 plus 25, yeah, equals 68. 3. Variance population. Tau square equals 68 divide 5 equals 36. Standard deviation, yeah, tau equals root 36 equals 369. Example question 4. Coefficient of variation or CV. It's known that two classes have the following exam score data. Class A and B, red rata-rata 68, Class A 68, standard deviation 6. Class B, rata-rata or red 60. 70. Standard deviation 5. Determine which class has a more unique distribution of score. What the solution? This is solution. Yeah. CAN equals 6 divide 78 times 100% equals 69%. Class B, 5 divide 70 times 100% equals 740%. Class B, has a minor variation in value, meaning the data distribution is more uniform. Example 5, standard deviation. Example, a teacher record the score of a live student on a math quiz. Score 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. Question. Calculate the mean, variance, and standard deviation of the score. What the solution? 3 solution. Solution 1, find the mean. X, X equals 70 plus 75 plus 80 plus 85 plus 90. Divide 5, this is plus equals 400. Divide 5 equals 80. Create a deviation table. This is table score X, it's called 70 from raised to 90. This is score X. X 80, 80 minus 7 minus 10. From this to this, X minus 80. This is number. X 80 square 100 25 0 25 1000 100, sorry. 3 sigma x squared equals 100 plus 25 plus 0 plus 25 plus 100 equals 150. What variance? Tau square equals 250 divide 5 equals 50. Standard deviation, tau equals root 50 equals 707. Final answer, mean equals 80, variance 50, SD or standard deviation 707. Example 6, coefficient of variation or CV. Example 2 factor products like blobs. The lifetime blobs from each factory is shown below. Factory A, and B. Mean lifetime hours. Factory A, 1,200. Standard deviation, 150. B, mean lifetime hours, 1,000. Standard deviation, 120. Question. Which factory has more consistent product based on the coefficient of variation or CV? What the solution? CV equals SD, divide mean times 100%. Factory A. ZVA, equals 150 divide 1,000, 1,200, times 100% equals 12.5%. Sorry. Factory B, ya, CVB 1020 divide, sorry, CVB 120 divide 1000 times 100% equals 12%. Factory B has more consistent production because it's a lower CV 12%. Thank you very much for my video. That's all from me. Thank you very much for your time. This is materials was helpful, easy to follow, and enjoyable to learn together. I love and heard to question or feedback. Thank you very much for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon.